Tutorial on this text style.
Have you seen the memes about me? Posting them.
Get a black image ready. Go text and write your text. Go fonts, then select classical. Decrease the text size to 8. Go glow, then select second option. Then put intensity 25, range on 100. Go shadows, then pick black and put opacity on 95, distance on 12. Go animations, then put expand on max duration. Export it. Go back to project and edit the text. Increase the text size to 11. Pick a color. Increase glow intensity on 35. Export it. Get your main clips ready. Overlay the first exported text and shorten it by start to the point the text starts to stretch. Shorten it by end to the point where you want the text to disappear. Go splice, then select, lighten. Add keyframes start and end of text, then zoom into text on last keyframe. Go on mask. Select horizontal, then remove the first and last keyframes. Rotate the line by -90 degrees and drag on the side line to create a fade. Add keyframe start and drag the line all the way to the left. Add a keyframe 3/4 later, then drag the line to the right. Go graphs, then select from ease, quad, or cubic out. Go animations on the overlay, then put fade in on 0.2 seconds. Go on out, then put fade out dab on 0.3 seconds. Overlay your second exported text, then do the same splice process. Shorten it by start till the point when the text starts to stretch. Position the text to begin when those words are said. Shorten the overlay by end till the end point of the previous overlay. Add keyframe start and end of text, then zoom into text on last keyframe. Go mask and do the same process of previous overlay. Go graphs, then select from the 3 graphs as earlier. Go animations, then apply the same animations and durations as first overlay. Go effects, then glow 2. Go object, then select first overlay. Put glow and size on 100. Duplicate the effect, then go object and select second overlay.
Have you seen the memes? Have you seen the memes?